Got noisy rattles and hums? Inside of your car feels like a sauna? Phone calls sound muffled and muddy? It's time for Dynamat. What is Dynamat? It's a range of peel and stick materials that apply to your vehicle's internal walls, doors, and panels to turn vibration noise into low-grade thermal energy. In simpler terms, it keeps your car quiet, cool, and smooth to drive. Just cut, peel, and stick to say goodbye to rattles, road noise, and residual heat. We create various materials that can be layered for added effects, such as low-frequency noise, heat absorption, and isolated vibration. Dynamat is the #1 name in automotive sound deadening, trusted for decades by car builders and enthusiasts alike. But don't take it from me. Take it from the pros.
We believe in their products. We use them on every vehicle that we build, and we really think you should too.
Again, with all Dynamat products, helps with heat, helps with noise. These Land Rovers do get really hot, and they get loud.
And the best part? It's all made right here in the USA. Visit our website to learn more about Dynamat and what it could do for your vehicle.